Stop scrolling. Discover real work-from-home jobs that pay well in 2024. Imagine waking up, grabbing coffee, and starting work in your PJs. Here are some legit work-from-home jobs for 2024 that you can apply for today. First up, we've got remote customer service roles. Companies like Amazon and Apple are always hiring for these positions. You'll be helping customers solve their problems, all from your couch. Next, how about freelance writing? Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need blogs, articles, and more. If you've got a knack for words, this gig is golden. Into tech? Become a virtual assistant. Businesses need help with tasks like email management and scheduling meetings. Sites like Belay and Time Etc. have tons of opportunities. Lastly, online tutoring is booming. Platforms like VIP Kid and Chegg Tutors let you teach subjects you love to students around the world. So there you have it. Real jobs, real money, all from the comfort of home. What are you waiting for? Start your work from home journey in 2024 today.